Right, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy A50. It's the most popular Samsung phone right now. If you go to gsmran.com, you'll see that it's on the top based upon the popularity of what people are really looking to buy. So this is a black version. It's a complete unboxing video. I'll tell you what you get and I'll actually show you what you get in the box. And there will be a bunch of stuff, and let's check out the specs real quick so we can start. So it comes with different options, but this one is 128 gig and 6 GB of RAM. You can get also 64 gigabytes and also 4 GB of RAM. So it's a multiple option. And the dual SIM, you can see duos. It has 4G LTE octa-core processor. It also has a bunch of cameras, by the way, which are really interesting and the most attractive thing about this phone. So you get like 25 megapixel on back, 5 megapixel, another 8 megapixel triple wide camera. You get 25 megapixel front camera, which is a fixed camera. It's not autofocus, but it's fixed. And you also get some other bunch of cool options in this phone, which is on screen fingerprint. So this is really very new in Samsung devices. It's gonna be available on Galaxy S10 Plus, and so we'll unbox and see what it comes. And also there are 2 or 3 colors like blue. There's also white and black, and they have like different feelings. So let's just I'll show you, but let's just open the box and let's see what it really has inside and what's come with it. Right, so we have opened the wrapper, and let's see. So probably I have to open this thing here. So it's already opened. So let's see what you get. So you get this device itself on the front. Let's take it out. Oops. And yeah, so let's quickly see. It has on-screen fingerprint, triple camera, Infinity U display, and the notch. So it's really cool. Take it out, and it's here somewhere. So yeah, you can see what I was talking about. This is black, but it really is a blend of different colors, and 3 cameras make it look awesome. Yeah, so let's put it here for a second and see what's in the box. So you get like a data cable, which this is obviously this is USB-C, but the headphones are let's see what you get. I mean, these are basic Samsung headphones, so with the 3.5 mm jack, and I mean nothing fancy, very standard Samsung headphones. I mean, they're very old right now, but this is what you get. You also get a USB-C cable, because this phone has USB-C, which is really awesome. And one of the things that people love to get this phone is they want to have a USB-C type phone. So this is cable, USB-C. Here's some of the IMA stuff here. So the charger you get is a fast charger. It has, let me just focus here real quick if I can. So it's basically 0.5 amps, and output is also, you can see here, it's 9 volt and 1.6 amp, or 5 volt and 2 amps. So it's really this fast charger. It's you can see it says adaptive fast charging here, if you can see it, and it's very standard adapter. You can unscrew and change this if you want to, if you have different modes. This is for the UK version and also the Middle East. It has this kind of like thing here. So you get the charger, and in the box there's nothing else but same ejector thing here. The pin, you can just take it out, but other than that there's nothing fancy in the box. So let's take a look at the device. It does not have a like a standard camera on top. It's a notch, and this makes it really interesting. And Infinity U display. It has you can see here the volume rocker buttons. It has a power lock, and in the bottom you get the audio jack 3.5 mm. You get the USB-C, you have a microphone, and you also have the speakers here. It only has one speaker, And on the back you get this 3 camera setup and LED flash, Samsung logo. I think it's here. The screen is awesome. You get also another microphone here. Let me just try to focus. And on the other side you get the ejector tray. I mean, you can do tray and let's see. Yeah, so this is it. And there's also, let's remove this plastic here. With this is, you can have multiple colors. In the next video I also got a Galaxy A30, which is also Samsung very popular phone. So I'm going to compare these to the benchmarks, the camera test, and I'm also going to do other comparison devices and other device videos. Like, obviously the camera is going to be a really big thing for people who want to really interested to buy this phone, the Galaxy A50. And so we'll be reviewing the camera. There will be a complete video with different bunch of options and what you can do with the camera setup. So yes, subscribe to this channel and I'll be making other videos. And also there'll be another video coming with the Nokia 6.1 plus comparison with these devices. And the A30 video is also going to be I mean, A30 is just similar to Nokia 6.1. So we're gonna review that. So let's quickly boot up the device and see what's inside. So yeah, you can see this is the device itself, the latest Android version, and looks display is really awesome on this device. The viewing angles are also great. You can see the notifications are coming in. So I mean, it's just like you can do this thing here. So yeah, it's just asking me to back up my data. I'll do that later, and then other videos I'm gonna do a complete review as well. So this is also, I mean, this is a really good phone and a very good budget. You could buy it on Amazon. The link is in the description. It's available on sale, so you could get it from there. Yeah, subscribe to the channel and it will go through full detail after this phone reviews and all the other camera setup, which we're gonna talk about here in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see.